Hey guys, so last time I did, I think it was a shelf and chopsticks. So this is the last item that was supposed to come with those. Places like Overstock and Wayfair, they should send them out individually, so let's see what I got at this time. Okay, so the last thing was supposed to come in is this guy. It was not wrapped at all. It kind of damaged. They even wrote on the box, which is kind of annoying. But it is a cold brew craft. I did open it to make sure everything was there and it wasn't broken. So, let's see if I can get it out. It is packaged with this foam, so it wasn't too horrible. It comes like this. If I can get it to come off of there. There we go. Alright, so the lid is in the little baggie, and everything else is in here. So let's open it. Maybe. There we go. Alright, so this is your strainer or colander or whatever you want to call it. It is pretty large. You can fit quite a bit of coffee in there. You can also use this for tea. Or like fruit infusions and stuff. Give me the box. Alright. Oh, that's cool. It's got like a little non-stick at the bottom. And then this is it. The max line is right here. I don't know if you can see that. So you get approximately 5.5 cups, which isn't bad, especially for coffee. Okay. So it's not necessarily a like twist. It's got these little ribs and you got to break the seal. So when you were to put it back on, you're going to want to just push it straight down, just like that. So it's kind of like if you have a cork for an olive oil bottle or a wine bottle. It's the same basic thing. It's just bigger. Okay. Okay, so this is from Lighten Life, the brand anyways. We have a 30 days, no reason to return. Email now. You got support. Tells you about the Lighten Life. Alright, so find our products through our Amazon shop. Okay, so it has like Amazon and stuff like that. Okay, so this one is showing that it is to make coffee specifically, but I did read that you could use it for other stuff. So you can use all the way from coarse to fine, which is basically espresso. Coarse to fine. Okay, so they're showing on here like different little pots and then like the different versions right there. Alright, so basically they're stating you want to add the coffee grounds to a 1:10 ratio for water. You pour the water in through the center here to wet all the grounds and whatnot. And then you let it sit for 8 to 24 hours. And then the 1:10 ratio will also depend on how strong you like your coffee. So that's about it, really. There's not a whole lot to it. It doesn't specify how full you would want to, fill it. So I guess it's kind of a ratio thing that you would want to figure out, which is kind of annoying. Why come with instructions if you're not going to come with instructions, kind of thing. Alright. Okay, so this is just riveted on. If you do tip it upside down, it will fall away from the center there, and you just push that, if I can get it in there, down in the center, like so. and it seals the top right there. And then, yeah, it creates a seal when you let it out. But that's also so that way you can pour out your coffee. And apparently it comes with a little prize. You scrape the back to win the winning level, and you go to the warrantyprize.com or scan the QR code and you get whatever little prize is. So that's pretty cool. Nothing special, just a little short video on it. I wish it came with more instructions, kind of like how-tos and stuff like that, but it didn't. So I guess that's the end of that. I will let you guys know how it works and what I think about it. I'm pretty sure it's a wonderful and lovely item. I just wish it had more instructions on what they refer to as a 1-to-10 ratio, but I will just look that up myself. So, see you guys on the next one. Hopefully you guys like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. If you guys have bought one of these, let me know how it goes for you. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye!